Okay, so this week we're continuing to work on multiplication, and again I'm going to be showing you how you can use the area model to solve different multiplication equations. So what we're going to be working with today is 9 times 16, and what we're going to focus on is how students can use multiplication facts that they know to help them find the answer to larger equations, that there's more than one way you can find the answer to these type of equations. So for 9 times 16 we could draw our area model. Oops. Okay, so we can draw our array. So we have our 9 by 16 array. And then what we can do is then we can break it apart. So we could break the 16, we can break it into a 10, and we can break it into a 6. So 10 plus 6 is still 16, but we're breaking it down into smaller equations. So 9 times 10 is 90. 9 times 6 is 54. So 90 plus 54 would get you to 144. So a lot of kids will not know their 9's facts yet, so they won't know 9 times 6, so we can use another array to help us. So instead of breaking the 16 into 10 and 6, we can break out the 10, because that's a nice friendly number to work with. And then we could break out a 5. A lot of students know their 5s, and then we can break out a 1, because 10 plus 5 plus 1 still equals 16. So 9 times 10 is 90, 9 times 5 is 45, and 9 times 1 is 9. So then we can add 90 plus 45 to get to 135, and then add our 9, and that would get us to 144. And again, maybe students aren't comfortable using that method. We can use another one. We can draw another array, another 9 by 16. And so this time, again, we like to stick with our 10s because we're really comfortable with our 10s. And maybe we want to break it into 3s. Maybe we know our 3's facts. So 10 plus 3 still equals 16. So 9 times 10 is 90. 9 times 3 is 27. 9 times 3 again is 27. 90 plus 27 is 117. 117 plus 27. So that still get us to our 144. So looking at this, students can really use multiplication facts that they are comfortable with to find the answer. That there's number of different ways that we can still get our answer of 144 using facts that we are comfortable with.